Yo, what is good YouTube and friends? You're here chilling with the real Satoshi Aoki. We're going to be doing some Crypto.com missions today in order to see if we can earn a little bit of extra cash on the side in this bear market. The great thing about these Crypto.com missions is that, as far as I'm aware, it is actually free to do, so anybody can do it. There's no excuses, just so long as you can actually access the Crypto.com application from your country. As always, folks, these videos are never financial advice and I'm not your financial advisor. If you do like to keep in tune with regular Crypto.com news, content, education, and information, make sure that you drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't be afraid to hit that notification bell as well to stay in tune as to when new videos do come out on the channel.
In order to efficiently have success in the cryptocurrency space, it is super important to stay up to date and informed with the latest news, articles, and information. When it does come down to talking about the Chronos blockchain, there is only one news source that I personally trust. That is the Chronicle. The Chronicle is the #1 official news source for anything to do with Chronos, whether it be projects, NFTs, DeFi, or passive income. The Chronicle are also even officially backed by Chronos blockchain themselves, and even Chris Marszalek from Crypto.com, the CEO, is following them too. To put it bluntly, if it wasn't for the Chronicle, I wouldn't have been able to make one of my most successful NFT purchases in this Frankenstein Mad Meerkat right here, which I personally think is going to be the Bored Apes of the Chronos chain, and I wouldn't be able to actually get up to around 300%, yes you heard it right, APR on one of the best yield farms in MMF finance on the Chronos blockchain. For those of you that have been living under a rock all this time, you don't know about what Chronos blockchain is, well, you better start to get to know. It's actually Crypto.com's official blockchain, and it's absolutely smashing it. Personally, I think it's one of the most undervalued, if not the most undervalued blockchains out there right now. When you visit thechronicle.com, you can expect AMAs, news, NFT drops, stuff related to DeFi, and all things crypto on the Chronos chain. You'll see that they actually have the ability to actually comment and vote on great pieces of news, information, and articles. They've also recently launched a new project called Project Collaboration, meaning that crypto-focused authors are able to come on and create their own news pieces for the website. The Chronicle does truly understand that bringing awareness to certain projects in their early development actually can be quite challenging. So that's why you can actually come onto the Chronicle and find all of these new and upcoming projects in one place. There's really no strings attached with this one, guys. It's just a genuine great news source that I do want to promote to you as my audience, and you'd be crazy not to go ahead and give them a follow. All the official links for the Twitter, where you can actually go and give them a follow, turn the notification bells on, head on over to their website, do subscribe so you can stay in tune with the latest articles. All those links will be in the description of this video right at the top. Also, don't be afraid to leave your likes and comments, and make sure you do comment in this video if you have any questions about Crypto.com or Chronos.
Alrighty folks, so we're on the Crypto.com app at the moment. As you can see, Ethereum just back over $1,000 and Bitcoin just down under 19,000 US dollars. So what we're going to do, we're going to click the blue CRO icon middle bottom of screen right here. That's going to take us to this section here where we can kind of take shortcuts to different areas of the Crypto.com application. Oh, and by the way as well, guys, if you're not signed up for the Crypto.com app already, I will leave a referral link for you to do that at the top of the description of this video. If you use that referral link and do pick up a card with that referral link, we'll both get 25 bucks and it'll be supporting the channel, of course. So let's go in and have a look, guys. So as you can see under the bonus section, we got missions, rewards, and refer. We're going to click on missions. So I'm going through this with you guys for the first time. I had a little bit of a read about what it is, and it looks pretty cool. So essentially, we're going to be accumulating diamonds when we do these missions, and then with those diamonds, we can get NFTs and possibly some other things as well, which you can then either hold or sell on a secondary market on the Chronos blockchain or the Chronos ecosystem to actually make that extra income, especially in this bear market, guys. I think this is going to be super, super important, and definitely something if you've got a bit of spare time, traveling to work, you know, maybe you got someone driving you in the car somewhere, or just at home before bed in the morning, you know, great thing to get amongst. Don't need any money to do it, because let's face it, we're all broke. So there's two options here, guys. We've got store and we've got the vault. So let's just check out them first. We'll check out the store. So as you can see here, folks, the featured one is BitRanger Block here, okay? And if we scroll down, you can see that BitRanger Block is an NFT in that particular 10K collection, and it cost 300, I think it's, are they gems? gems, diamonds, or whatever they are, to actually get that Bit Ranger Brock. You can get an AC Milan jersey, guys, for 2,500. You can get a PSG Stadium tour for 3,000. So it's pretty cool, right? And you can get a mystery box for 25, okay? And that's going to be the cheapest one. So we're going to see how realistic this is. I'm going to give you my honest sort of feedback and review on these missions as we're going through it, because this is actually something that Coinbase actually had implemented, I think maybe a couple of years ago, whereby you could actually go on there, do some tasks, answer some questions, and actually get paid out in cryptocurrency directly. So this is a slightly different model, but definitely good in the fact that you can jump on, do it for free quickly and through the app. So, and if we go over to the vault here, I do believe that this is going to be my specific balance for the mission section, I suppose. So I suppose it looks like it's going to be a separate sort of balance there. So we got mission control, okay, so you can set off on a mission now. We're going to do that in just a sec. And you've also got university. So what makes an NFT popular? Visit crypto.com university to earn diamonds. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So let's just get started, guys, and go for a mission. So this is in real time, okay. I might cut out a few of like the boring loading screens and things like that if there are any. Unlock your daily missions by completing status check. Daily missions reset at 12 UTC. Okay, let's unlock that. Complete daily missions to earn diamonds. Tap status check to continue. Okay, is that button there? Okay. Unlock your daily missions by checking into mission control. Okay. Mission complete. Okay. Next mission starts in 12 hours and 22 minutes. Tap to continue. All right, so my status check was the first mission, I suppose. Diamonds earned. Store diamond in vault. Okay, great, guys. So the first mission was pretty easy. I literally just had to check in. So I can store my 1 diamond in the vault, redeem the diamonds you earned from missions before they expire, and receive them in your diamond vault. Okay, well, I guess we'll just do that right away. Tap the redeem button now. Store diamond in the vault. You redeemed 1 diamond. They've been stored in your diamond vault. You can now use them to redeem mystery boxes in the store. Okay, tap anywhere to continue. Status check, you earned 1 diamond, redeemed your diamonds in the mission section. Okay, pretty cool. Nice. Oh, I see. So the next status check is going to be in 12 hours, if I'm reading that correctly. Okay, pretty cool. And in my vault, I do actually have 1 diamond at the moment. Okay, what's the next mission, guys? Okay, so we do have other missions here. Quick Quest, Volume Venture, Crypto Masters. Let's just tap on Quick Quest and just see what this one is. Buy or sell USD 20 of cryptocurrency in a single transaction. Okay, $20 worth of cryptocurrency. Buy or sell. Okay, so maybe I can sell some. All right, because I do have some stablecoin. I wonder if that'll work. Excludes all transactions between stablecoins and fiat. Missions completion might take some time to process. Okay, but if I put it in CRO first and then do it in CRO, maybe that's going to work. Okay, but it's just saying that it doesn't count for stablecoins and fiat. All right, so let's just press OK. Hold on. So did we accept that one? Missions completion might take some time to process. Okay, so let's check that. Maybe we'll go Crypto Masters. That one might be a little more simple. Level up your crypto knowledge by reading an article in Crypto.com Uni. Timer resets on the last day of every month at 11:59. Okay. So let's go to the university. What makes an NFT popular? And hopefully we'll get 3 diamonds for that. What makes an NFT popular? That's fine. We can get rid of that. From community to rarity, this article introduces you to 3 factors that can influence the popularity of an NFT amongst collectors, guys. So I'm not going to probably read through all of this with you, so I'll probably just do a cut here. Alright guys, Crypto Master, you earned 3 diamonds, tap to redeem. So I literally just read through that article, okay? And I didn't have to click anything to say I'd completed reading the article, just read through the article from top to bottom. Good information actually, a really good article on NFTs there, especially if you don't sort of have a deep understanding of it. And then we can just go ahead and again, store diamond in vault. And you redeemed 3 diamonds, go to store. And again, we've only got 4 diamonds, so I can't afford anything yet because I'm probably going to be going for that mystery box first, I suppose. Or maybe a Bit Ranger Brock. Huh. What are they worth at the moment? Maybe find out what he's worth at another stage. Okay guys, so that's pretty cool. So we did the Crypto Masters, did the status check. Damn, what's this one? Volume Venture. Buy or sell US dollars 500 worth of cryptocurrency in a 24-hour period. Okay, the timer resets daily. All right, so that'd be a cool one you could do as well. If you've got a bit more volume in your cryptocurrency account, sort of above $500, you can just trade between cryptocurrencies, get 60 diamonds there. And maybe we'll go ahead and do this quest, guys. Maybe we'll make this the last quest that we do on the actual video. All right, guys, so you can actually see I got $21 worth of Chronos here, so I might just sell this Chronos for, why don't we sell it for Bitcoin? And then maybe we'll buy Ethereum. So we're not using fiat, we're not using stable coins. Done. Sold that. Refresh. Yes, that goes to 0. Now we're in Bitcoin, and we might use this Bitcoin, sell it for Ethereum. Oh, nice. You earned 5 diamonds. Beautiful. Okay, so did I just complete the quest? I think I want to get into Ethereum anyway, so I might sell that BTC for some ETH. Purely because I think ETH is going to run further than Bitcoin when we get back into a bull market. Okay, so it's as easy as that, guys. You see how long this takes. Like, it's not long, right? Ethereum. So now I'm back in Ethereum, $21.83. Okay, and let's go back to the Lion. Go back to the mission center. And diamonds earned 5. Store diamond in vault. Fantastic. Tap anywhere to continue. 9 diamonds. Cool. Oh, so for that 60 diamonds, I wonder if I could just keep going back and forth between sort of BTC and ETH. So I'm not actually sure, but we might see. Nice one, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what you thought about the video, guys. If you like this little video of sort of how to earn money through missions on the sort of Crypto.com ecosystem, then drop a like on this video, subscribe, turn the notification bells on. I might touch in and make another little video when I'm actually sort of further along doing different quests, or actually using my diamonds to actually purchase sort of NFTs or other things on the platform, and then seeing if I can actually make some sort of genuine good gains and money from that. But the fact that it's free to do, it's easy to sign up, it's really, really good. There will be a referral link at the top of the description of this video if you do want to get involved, guys. So we'll catch you in the next video. Hope you enjoy.